Welcome to Deliverx Driver App Registration Guide. To get started with the driver delivery app, you need to download it from your App Store or Play Store and open it on your mobile device. When you open the app for the first time, you will be prompted to enter your mobile phone number. The app will send an OTP one-time password to your phone number via SMSE. Once your phone number is verified, you will be taken to the registration page. You will need to provide the following. Take a photo of your face to verify your identity. Enter your full name. Enter your email address. Select your service location on a map. Select a city where you will be providing services. Select your gender. Enter your bank account details for payment processing. Select the type of vehicle you will be using for deliveries. Enter your identification number. Enter your vehicle registration number. After accept the app's terms and conditions, you will need to complete the verification process by uploading the following documents. Upload a scan or photo of your government-issued ID card. Upload a scan or photo of your valid driving license. If applicable, you will need to upload a scan or photo of your valid residence visa. After you have provided all the necessary information and documents, the app team will review your application and documents to confirm your eligibility. Once your account is approved, you will receive a notification that you can start receiving delivery requests.